My name is Matt Bowtell and I am a prosthetic limb innovator. Growing up in a very small community, we had a few friends that were disabled and the community would always come together to help them out. And for me it was something that I always saw as important. When I was at university, I went over on a scholarship to Japan and tried on a $1 million bionic arm. And I thought, this is fantastic technology, but whoever is going to be able to afford it. For people in developing countries, regardless if you could get the cost down to $1,000, $100, even $10, they may not be able to afford it. So I really needed to try and find a way that I could get that cost down to several dollars if possible.
It was amazing just to see that someone in this world does that. He just cared so much about them, and it just made me want to do something and make a change.
So I was an arts engineering student actually. I studied languages as well as philosophy and international relations and diplomacy whilst I was studying my engineering degree. To see someone play music with one of my designs, it's just for me as a musician. I've played piano since I was 8 years old. To see them do that, it just really brings so much satisfaction to me to be able to give them that opportunity to feel what it is like to be able to play an instrument. And I think learning music for children is a very important thing for developing the brain, and which ties into mathematics and all kinds of things.
This afternoon when we came back, actually, I had a silent class because they were just researching 3D printing and coming up to me with heaps of ideas of what they want to make. So I actually haven't seen them that engaged in quite a long time, so they're pretty excited.
I love Education Week.
I love Education Week.